So for this question we need to find the length y as labelled on the triangle here. So the first thing we do is label the sides of the triangle. So the side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse. The angle that we're going to be dealing with is this one here. So the side next to that angle, which is not the hypotenuse, that's the adjacent. And then the remaining side is the opposite to the angle, so that's the op. So we need to find the hypotenuse, and we've got the adjacent, so the only side that we don't care about is the opposite. So when we write out SOH CAH TOA, that means we can cross out and ignore the two things which have O for opposite in them. So that means we're going to use cos. So cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And now we can start putting in some values. So we know from the triangle that the angle is 43. So it's cos 43 is equal to adjacent, which in this particular case is 7. And then we're going to divide by the hypotenuse, which is y. So we end up with cos 43 equals 7 divided by y. Now we need to rearrange the formula, rearrange the equation, so that we make y the subject. So we multiply both sides by y, and that gives us y cos 43 equals 7. And then to get the y on its own, we're going to divide by cos 43. So we end up with y is equal to 7 over cos 43. Put that into the calculator. Make sure you're in degrees mode first, though. And that gives you y equals 9.57 centimetres.